Hey there, straight pool players. We're back at it again. We're attacking the center of the second ball with approximately a 13-degree cut. Let's go ahead and see how we get through this rack.
All right, guys, the center of the center of the cue is going directly into the 6 ball. I'm lining this up slightly inside of 4/8, so I'm really at 3.758. The reason I'm doing that is because the object ball is now lower on the stack, so to get the same angle, I have to make a slight adjustment for you guys. I'm gonna hit this with a full stroke, guys. A little bit of outside English, compensating, of course, for deflection.
Okay, pool players, a lot of times people say that they don't know which ball they're going to play next. This is an example with that 14 ball. That's a common occurrence, so that's a ball you can sort of look forward to if you hit it right and if you get a good roll. Okay, let's see how we get through the rest of the rack.
Because I feel like the English gave it a little more oomph and opened it up a little bit more. The 4-1 combination is pretty on. I could go 5 on the side and open up the stack some more, and I think that's probably my best option. So let's take care of this 14 ball and get position on this 12 ball. I got a little angle on this 12, so I'm just going to roll down for the 4-1 combination. Okay, I'll play the 4-1 combination, and I'll come up a little bit, getting shape on the 5 ball on the side. I'll use the 4 ball as insurance for my next shot. So I want to get angle on the 5 ball on the side. And I'll have the 4 balls insurance, except I left it a hair too thick. So now I'm in a little bit of trouble. So I'm gonna have to use the 4 ball as my break shot. So I'm gonna make sure I get an angle where I can come into the stack off the 4. Well, the good thing is the 3 ball's dead now, so I'm going to play for the 3 instead. I'm going to miss the stack. And I'm going to play the 9, 11, 3, playing the 3 in the corner. I'm going to hold my cue a little bit though. Got a little kiss. I'm very fortunate that the 15 ball didn't fall. I would be in big trouble in Little New York if the 15 ball fell. Playing for the 7 ball. So I'm going to play the 9 ball instead because I didn't get there. Got the 13. Now I'm going to draw into the 6, the 8-6. Okay. I'm going to draw into the 7, try to create a break shot. means I'm going to have to use the 8 or the 10. And I definitely prefer using the 8 ball. I don't like either of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the 7. I'm going to play the 8 and bump the 10 up now, or the 11 up now. Let's see if there's anything I can use on the 11, and I do. If I can get here, I can go right into the stack. So let's play position to put the cue ball in the stack, take ball in the hand, huh? Haven't had that yet. And I'm going to play position for the 11 instead, so I'll be right around here. You got a really good angle on the 11. Let's continue the run.
Okay, fellow straight pull lovers, we got through episode 23. Not that difficult of a rack. In the end, I probably could have used underneath the break shot or underneath the stack break shot, but we ended up using the side pocket break shot. We haven't seen that yet, and we haven't really seen underneath the break shots yet with what I've been working on. That is a future plan. Anyway, hope you guys had a great day or night, and I'll see you guys next angle.